Hi, I'm Nick from Aurora Mind and Body, and hopefully you've seen our video on booking a class and gone ahead to book a class. So I'm going to show you today how to get started and connect to one of our virtual sessions. So on the day of your class or session, you'll receive an email from us that looks something like this. And you'll see it's got a link for a Zoom meeting, and it's got a meeting ID and also a password, which for this example we've set to password, the most secure password in history. So before we go and click on any links to start our class, we're going to open up the App Store because we need to install the app. And we're going to type in Zoom into the search bar, and we're going to download. So Zoom allows us to see you, it allows you to see us. Hopefully it will allow some interaction between everyone, so we'll be able to know how everyone's getting on, and it should be somewhat like a regular class or session, as good as we can get in the current circumstances anyway. So we'll go and open this app now it's installed, and you'll come to this page, and it's really straightforward that you just click join a meeting, and you either type in the meeting ID as was in the email, or you click on the link in the email, and if you put your name in here, I don't like the fact that it puts Nicholas, and I want to connect to the audio, so leave that turned off. It would be preferable if you leave your video turned on, because then that allows us to see you and make sure that you're safe and okay. And then we just click join. So another way of joining your meeting, rather than typing the meeting ID and the password in directly, is in the email. As I mentioned earlier, you have a link just here. And if you click that link just there, it will take you directly to it. And you'll see it's waiting for the host to start this meeting, and when one of us starts the meeting for our session, it will automatically sign you in, and you'll be able to see us, we'll be able to see you. And then... Right, now we'll move across to Android. So it's actually nearly exactly the same. The only difference, and I'll use my phone for this example, is we open the Google Play Store, which will take us to here, and in the search field we'll type Zoom, exactly the same as we did before, and we'll search, and you'll see the name we're looking for is exactly the same, and we can go ahead and install that in exactly the same way. You'll see it's just downloading. It's not too big an app, it'll only take a few seconds to download, and then we'll have that on the phone, and it takes a little bit longer than the iPad apparently. But when it's downloaded, it will go ahead and install it. Now that's installed, we'll just click open, and you'll see it looks identical to the iPad version. Exactly the same. And that's Android. So lastly, we're going to do it on the computer. So this is the exact same email with the exact same link and the same meeting ID and password. So we'll just go ahead and click the link, and exactly the same way, you'll notice something slightly different happens on this one. So you'll notice it's saying open Zoom meetings, and it tries to download a file. So you can download and install an application that's going to run Zoom, or if you don't want to install any software, you can just click join from your browser. This only works on Chrome, and when the meeting starts, this page will reload and go straight in. You'll get an option to join with audio. You might have to allow your Chrome browser to access your microphone and your webcam, but other than that, it's exactly the same. So I hope you found this useful. If I've missed anything or you're not sure, would like some more help, feel free to drop us a line at hello@auroramindandbody.co.uk, and we can help you. But I look forward to seeing you in a virtual class soon.